Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is instantaneous rate of change. Basically, instantaneous rate of change is the rate of change at a particular point. When, for example, when we move from x0 to x1, we have to find out the rate of change at this point. This is x1. So the rate of change at a particular point is the instantaneous rate of change. So the formula for using instantaneous rate of change is the same as that of average rate of change, but one addition of limit. So limit x1 approaches to x0, f of x1 minus f of x0 whole divided by x1 minus x0. Now this is the formula with which we are going to find the instantaneous rate of change, which means the rate of change at a particular instant. Now we're going to start the question. Question number 1, that is, find the instantaneous rate of change for y is equal to 2x square plus 3 at the point x0 is equal to 3. Now using the formula, delta y by delta x is equal to limit x1 approaches to x0 and f of x1 minus f of x0 whole divided by x1 minus x0. Now again, by the definition of the function, we have to write in the terms of x0 and x1. So 2x square plus 3 replacing x with x1 and x0. So x0 is equal to 2x0 square plus 3 and f of x1 is equal to 2x1 square plus 3. Now putting in the formula, delta x is equal to limit x1 approaches to x0, 2x1 square plus 3 minus 2x0 square plus 3 whole divided by x1 minus x0. Now we put where there is x0 with the value x is equal to 2. Now limit x1 approaches to 3 and 2x1 square plus 3 minus 2 square plus 3 whole divided by x1 minus 3. Here is actually 3. So limit x1 approaches to 3, 2x1 square plus 3 minus 2, 9 plus 3 over x1 minus 3. Limit x1 approaches to 3, 2x1 square plus 3 minus 18 plus 3 whole divided by x minus 3. Now limit x1 approaches to 3, 2x1 square plus 3 minus 21 over x1 minus 3. Limit x1 approaches to 3, 2x1 square minus 18 over x1 minus 3 and limit x1 approaches to 3. 2 we are going to take common, x1 square minus 9 whole divided by x1 minus 3. Now making the factors of this, we get limit x1 approaches to 3 to x1 minus 3 and x1 plus 3 whole divided by x1 minus 3. Cancelling x minus 3, limit x1 approaches to 3 to x1 plus 3 to limit x1 approaches to 3 x1 plus 3. Now applying the limit, 2 3 plus 3 is equal to 2, 6 is equal to 12. So delta y by delta x is equal to 12 is the answer for the instantaneous rate of change. Now question number 2. Find the instantaneous rate of change for y is equal to x square plus x plus 1 at the point x0 is equal to 2. Again, we are going to use the definition of the function first, that is y is equal to f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Replacing x with x0 and x1 respectively. So it is x0 square plus x0 plus 1 and x1 is equal to x1 square plus x1 plus 1. Using the formula for the instantaneous rate of change is equal to limit x1 approaches to x0, f of x1 minus f of x0 whole divided by x1 minus x0. Now putting the values, limit x1 approaches to x0, x1 square plus x plus 1 minus x0 square plus x0 plus 1 whole divided by x1 minus x0. Now again we have to replace where there is x0 with the given point, which is x0 is equal to 2. So limit x1 approaches to 2, x1 square plus x1 plus 1 minus 2 square plus 2 plus 1 whole divided by x1 minus 2. We can put bracket for the simplicity. So limit x1 approaches to 2, x1 square plus x1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 2 plus 1 and whole divided by x1 minus 2. Now limit x1 approaches to 2, x1 square plus x1 plus 1 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 x1 minus 2, and here we can cancel x1 minus 1. So limit x1 approaches to 2, x1 square plus x1 minus 6 whole divided by x1 minus 2. Now we can use factorization for that, because we have to simplify it before putting the value of the limit. So limit x1 approaches to 2 and x square plus 3x1 minus 2x1 minus 6 whole divided by x1 minus 2. We can write more clearly here by rubbing this, that is x1 minus 2. So limit x1 approaches to 2, x1 square can be taken outside, and it is x1 plus 3 minus 2 x1 plus 3 whole divided by x1 minus 2, making the factors here. Limit x1 approaches to 2, x1 plus 3 and x1 minus 2 whole divided by x1 minus 2. Cancelling x1 minus 2 with this, we get limit x1 approaches to 2, x1 plus 3. Now applying the limit finally, we get limit x1 approaches to 2, x1 plus limit x1 approaches to 2, 3, 2 plus 3, because the limit of constant, which is 3, remains the same, therefore we write 3, and answer is 5. Therefore the instantaneous rate of change for the given function is 5. This is our answer. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Now y is equal to 1 over under root x, we have to define with the function f of x is equal to 1 over under root x. Again f of x naught, because we have to replace each x with x naught and x1. So in this we are going to replace with x naught, and f of x1 is equal to 1 over under root x1. Now using the formula, delta y by delta x is equal to limit x1 approaches to x naught and f of x1 minus f of x naught over x1 minus x naught. So putting the values of f of x1 and f of x naught, delta y by delta x is equal to limit x1 approaches to x naught and 1 over under root x1 minus 1 over under root x naught whole divided by x1 minus x naught. Now take calcium. Limit x1 approaches to x naught, and we are going to take the LCM here. x1 under root x naught, we get under root x naught minus under root x1 and whole divided by x1 minus x naught. Now this can be written as, before taking the LCM also, that is x naught under root x naught minus under root x1 whole divided by x1 minus x naught under root x1 under root. Now since in the numerator there is a radical sign of the two different functions, so we have to rationalize. Limit x1 approaches to x0 under root minus x1 under root over x1 minus x0 x1 under root x0 multiplied by x0 plus whole divided by under root x0 plus x1. Now this becomes the expansion of a square minus b square, so we are going to write limit x1 approaches to x0 and it becomes x0 minus x1 whole divided by x1 minus x0 x1 under root x0 and x0 plus under root x1. Now taking minus 1 common from the numerator, limit x1 approaches to x0, so minus 1, and rearranging and x0 whole divided by x1 minus x0 under root x1 under root x0 and under root again which has been rationalized by x1. Now this term and this term can be cancelled and we get limit x1 approaches to x0 minus 1 under root x1 x0 under root x0 plus, now applying the value of x0 where there is x0, limit and simplify it. X1 approaches to 4 minus 1 over x1 under root 4 plus under root x1, we get limit x1 approaches to 4 minus 1 2 under root x1 2 plus under root x1. Now we are going to apply the limit formally, minus 1 over 2 under root 4 2 plus under root 4 minus 1 2 because 2 or 2 are multiplying, 2 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 over 4 into 4 minus 1 over 16 is our required answer. Delta y by delta x is equal to minus 1 over 16. Dear students, these are three examples for the today's lecture, and if you have any problem or any query you can ask me on my email address or my mobile phone on WhatsApp. So thank you for the today's lecture.